we are a company from France, and we believe that the framework of privacy in Europe is well developed, especially with GDPR. So we are fully compliant with GDPR, but not only compliance, we have decided since the beginning of the company to not sell the data of our user. We do personalized advertising when people give their consent, but we do not sell any data of our user, and this is something we don't want to do, even if it can be a big sources of revenue. So we decided to do this because we believe that this is not what people want, and so it simplifies a lot the privacy. So we have a framework of like how to be like on the top of the privacy of a user. So it's different stage in the company. So the first one is like the consent management platform. So to be sure that we have the consent for every data we want to collect and for each different type of purpose. The second one is the minimization. We don't collect more than what we need, so we try to be sure that the duration of the data collection, also the amount of data we collect is minimized to be sure that we don't collect. And it's also a legal stuff, especially with partners. We are very careful about the type of contract we sign with partners, and we sign with almost every partner what we call a GPA, which is a data protection agreement, to be sure that what we allow them to do with the data when we share data with them, and it's only for the purpose of the agreement. So let's say we have a partner for analytics. We want to be sure that they will not use the data for any other use case. So we sign this type of contract on top of the classic contract. And so the consent management, the minimization, and the legal stuff with partners is like the most important topic that we try to provide to be sure that we protect as much as we can our user. And this framework, even if let's say in the US, sometimes you have some data collections that don't need a consent in some state in the US, we still do the same privacy concern even for people all around the world, even if the legislation is not as like protecting as GDPR.